Hey, in this video, we'll talk about Arcblock or ABT ticker. Currently, it's priced around 20 cents, which is interesting. 26% increase in price today. Let me know what the price at when you're watching the video. Is it up or down from this point? The volume is very interesting at 228%, up 20 mil in the last 24 hours. You can buy it on Gate.io with the lowest fees. You can use my link in the description below to go to Gate.io. We will be using Gate.io as the instrument to draw the price prediction and the technical analysis. We'll do all of that there. It's better than using Uniswap because you have lower fees. I trust Gate.io personally. I use them, and they have. It seems that I've been checking ABT because look at that. I also already have some lines drawn out. They were pretty accurate. I don't know. I probably drew. Oh, you know what? I remember. Yeah, analyzing it. It's probably here. I don't know, but I guess I already did some analysis on it, and it's very accurate. Okay, so we'll talk about it within the video. But before we start, and we'll dive very deep into the analysis. Keep in mind that this video is no financial advice, just a random dude on the internet sharing his opinion. With that being said, the purpose of this series is very simple. Pretty much every single day, I go over all the new tokens and all the hot tokens for the day, and I give you my opinion on them. We're not all personally be buying into them. So if you want to learn about that, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. And if you want to support me, also hit the like button. Really helps out. When you subscribe, the cool thing is you'll learn about all the hot and new tokens first before anyone else. It's free. All you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. I'm sponsored by Nemesis DAO, a really cool play to earn APY token. Sorry, because I was sponsored by a few play to earn games. A really cool APY token at 442,000% APY right now. They have a great platform. They're the best in my opinion. APY relative to market cap, that's insane. And they have a lot of updates planned out that you should check out. So let's talk about ABT, the moment you have been waiting for. This is the daily chart, but I would rather go off the 30-minute chart because it has been pumping hard. In terms of what we can expect, let's open up the indicators real quick. And so we have the HEDGE, that's good. And I want to see the VP, the volume profiles, and you don't volume, price volume trend, okay, on balance. I guess we won't use that, but we can have the MACD. So right now, what we can see here, the first interesting thing is I wouldn't be buying. Why? That can be a mistake, obviously, but yes, the price pumped a lot. Yes, it can go to 24 cents, but the first support, relative to the risk is at, you'd have to place your stop loss at like 11 cents, which is a 40% loss. Probably not super worth it. Anyway, you look at it, not super worth it. What I would do if I am to do this trade is I'll probably, and I can't be wrong, in my price predictions. And okay, I'll say everything I say on the chart. There's some bullish signals, there's some bearish signal. Just to be honest, first of all, I don't buy into pumps, but there's some good signs. First of all, selling pressure is going down. So we had a huge selling candle that you can see right here, really easy to see. Then we had a lower one, and then we started to bring green candles, which means that odds are if we get another red candle that's smaller, right? If we get a retracement right here, because the price will probably jump here, and we get a red candle here with lower volume like this would be a super good sign. This would be a good sign for a breakout. And after that, if we print, a few higher volume candles above the 21-cent price, yes, we can go to 24 cents. What I would do in a situation like this, if in general the place you buy tokens like this, a very simple rule of thumb is here based on the MACD. Here are areas of interest, and just check this out. What if you bought here? Because the MACD suggested, even here you bought here, this is the second place MACD suggests you buy, this is the third place MACD suggests you buy. you should buy here based on the MACD. And based on the MACD, the first time you should sell is here. Here it is, it crosses. Even if you miss this point, here is where you would sell for a pretty good profit, by the way. And if you bought here, the first place where you should be selling at is around here. So you would again make around a 10% profit on your money, which I deem to be a pretty good amount. And from here to here, this was the 18th to the 20th. That's in 2 days. So in my opinion, that's a actually good trade. A place where you could accumulate here based on MACD is here as well, which was a very fair place to accumulate. And while we had this dump last 24 hours, ABT sort of looked like a hedge against the market. So while BTC is going down, everyone was looking for a way to mitigate their losses by investing in something different. And this is why I think we saw all the okay, I'm just seeing a few things now as well, which are interesting, and I'll show you right here. All the pump, all the momentum going up. There was a lot of volume around this area and around this area. So these are 2 points of interest right here, the 15-cent area and this area. There was a lot of accumulation here, and they was selling here. So yeah, these are definitely two very accurate lines. Below, maybe I would have my stop loss below 13 cents. You know, if you're just holding below 11-12 cents is where the free fall is. This is where I would probably have mine otherwise. But yeah, it's definitely looking like it can print better green candles. The 30-minute candle finished in 2 minutes. Hopefully, right, for all of you bulls, right, out there, I would be very happy if it just breaks out and goes to $1. Why not? But I do think it just served as a hedge against the market for the day. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.